In 2009, a man named John Rampton lost everything. His business failed, his savings dried up, he was sleeping on a friend's couch, eating ramen noodles 3 times a day, wondering where his next dollar would come from. But here's the wild part. Just 4 years later, he was making over $20,000 every single month while he slept. Not from a lottery, not from inheritance, not from luck, from passive income. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how that's possible for you right now, no matter where you're starting from. Most of us were raised with one idea about money. Go to school, get a good job, work hard, get paid. And that works until it doesn't. What happens when you get sick, when you burn out, when the company downsizes and your salary disappears overnight? See, the problem with trading time for money is simple. You only have 24 hours in a day. There's a ceiling, a hard limit. But what if your money didn't have a ceiling? What if you could set up a system once and have it generate income for you while you're at the gym, at dinner, or on the other side of the world? That's not a fantasy. That's passive income, and it's changed millions of lives.
Let me clear something up. Passive income doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing the work once and getting paid for it repeatedly. Think of it like this. A builder builds a house once, but a landlord collects rent every single month. An author writes a book once, but earns royalties for decades. A YouTuber makes a video once, but earns ad revenue every time someone watches it, even years later. There are 3 core types of passive income you need to know. Number 1, asset-based income. This is money from things you own. Rental properties, stocks, index funds, REITs. Number 2, digital income. Selling digital products, online courses, ebooks, templates, stock photos. Number 3, content and affiliate income. Blogs, YouTube channels, podcasts, where you earn from ads or recommending products. Each one requires effort up front, but the payoff? It compounds.
Let me tell you about Pat Flynn. In 2008, Pat was an architect. Then the recession hit, and he got laid off. Instead of panicking, he started a blog. He shared everything he knew about passing an architecture exam. Within a year, that blog was making him more than his old salary. Then 10 times more. Today, Pat has made over $8 million from content he created years ago. And then there's Amanda Hocking. She was a 26-year-old from Minnesota. No publisher wanted her fantasy novels. So she uploaded them herself on Amazon Kindle, priced them at 99 cents. Within 2 years, she had sold over 1 million copies, $2 million in passive royalties. These aren't outliers. These are ordinary people who chose to build something once and let it work for them forever.
So how do you start? Here's the honest truth.
Step 1, start with what you already know. You don't need to be a millionaire to create passive income. You need a skill, a story, or a system. What do you know that others don't? Step 2, choose your vehicle. Are you good at writing? Start a blog or write an ebook. Good on camera? Start a YouTube channel. Have savings? Look into index funds or REITs. Have a spare room? Rent it out on Airbnb. Step 3, build once, distribute forever. Create your product, your content, your asset, and put it somewhere that works for you 24/7. The internet doesn't sleep. Step 4, be patient. The first month might earn you $10. The 6th month might be $200. The second year might replace your salary. Passive income is slow at first. Then it's unstoppable. The biggest mistake people make? Waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. There's only right now. Remember John Rampton, sleeping on that couch, eating ramen, wondering what went wrong? He didn't find a shortcut. He found a different game to play. He stopped renting out his time
and started building things that paid him back. Every single day, money is being made by people who built something: a blog, a course, a portfolio, a property, and chose to let it work.
The question isn't whether passive income works. The question is, when are you going to start? The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. If this video opened your eyes even a little, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want more videos on building real financial freedom. And drop a comment below. What's your first passive income idea? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.